Is your Windows 11 PC running slow? Here's how to fix it fast. Tip 1. Go to Task Manager Startup Apps. Disable anything you don't need launching at boot. Tip 2. Run clean gr to delete junk files like temp data and recycle bin clutter. Tip 3. Uninstall bloatware. Go to Settings, Apps, uninstall games or pre-installed junk. Tip 4. Turn off visual effects. Press Windows and R, type sysdm.cpl, go to Performance Settings, and choose Adjust for best performance. Tip 5. Check Task Manager Performance tab to see what's hogging RAM or CPU. Tip 6. Run a full virus scan with Windows Security. Malware can slow everything down. Tip 7. Still slow? Upgrade to an SSD. It's the single biggest speed boost you can get. Try these and watch your PC fly. Like and follow for more quick tech tips.